All right, snoring. Now, you or I, not to the level to where we're keeping the other one awake at night because it's just so loud and annoying. But if you have somebody who is a loud snorer, how do you help? How do you make them, keep it under control? There's some things you can do, some tricks they say. Number one, say, hey, sleep on your side, because if you're on your side, that will help you with breathing, less blockage in your nasal passages and all that, so you won't snore quite as much. Stop eating so close to bed. When your stomach is full, your diaphragm does not have enough room to expand. So if you're skipping late night snacks, that also will help you with weight loss as well. So they say if you're more overweight, you will snore more because there's fat around your throat that pushes onto your airways, which makes you snore more. Say, hey, can you drink more water? Because being dehydrated thickens the mucus in your throat and makes you more likely to snore. So drink some more water during the course of a day. Tell them to have a hot shower before bed, because that steam in the hot shower can loosen phlegm and help them breathe a little easier at night. You keeping track of all this?
I'm keeping track of every second of it.
Okay. And then get them to learn about throat exercises. Go Google them.
That sounds weird.
There's one where you rub the tip of your tongue across the back of your top teeth over and over again. And another where you have to say the words A-E-I-O-U out loud for 3 minutes several times a day. And that will help you to open things up, relax your tongue, your throat, so that you're able to sleep better and breathe better and therefore not snore as much. That's the whole point.
All right, there we go.
Yeah, get more info on these 5 tips now at the YesFM Facebook, Twitter at 967YesFM, and the Mercy in the Morning page at yesfm.com.